Here you can see the Municipal Finances and Tax Portal, a solution presented by us to resolve the statement BB804 Municipal Finances and Tax Management System under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This is the index page of our website. Let's go through this. Here there are three sections: user registration, user login, and admin. First, the user need to register in the portal. For now, we are taking only Aadhaar number, but in coming future, it will more document will be added for the user registration, and there will be captcha also, so that when the user will log into the portal using their credential, they will be redirected to the user dashboard page. Here, the user will have two options: pay tax and request for registration. So let's first move to the pay tax. When the user will click on pay tax, they will be redirected to a page which will ask them for pay tax for new property and pay tax for registered property. When the user is new, that is, he is using the site for the first time, they need to click on pay tax for new property, because they are using the site for the first time, so there is no property has been registered on their name. When the user will click on pay tax for new property, they will be redirected to the page generate tax. Here the user needs to generate tax for their property. So let's generate tax. User must need to upload the photo of their property. Here you can see the tax amount is generated. Now the user needs to pay the tax. They will be redirected to a page called payment gateway. Here we have given one more functionality, that user can pay the tax in EMI options. As user is KYC verified with us, so there is no chance of fraudulent, so we have a plan to keep the user to pay property tax in EMI options also. So for they have to select the durations, and based on that their amount will be generated. Now coming to the second option, that is pay tax for registered property. Now once the user is registered and he has paid tax for a property, the next time when the user comes, they doesn't need to give the whole property details. They just need to click on pay tax for registered property, and they have to just give their email and property number, and they will have to click on get details, and that will generate their property tax amount, and they can pay the property tax. Now coming to the user dashboard, the second option is request for registration. So here, if the user want to buy any property and register any property to his name, they will have to schedule an appointment to municipal corporation and municipal office. So for that they don't need to go to the municipal office physically every time. Here they will just provide the older property owner name, the mobile number, the Aadhaar number, the property number that the user wants to register or buy on his name, and the property address, the area pin code, the property photo. Now they will have to need to click on request for registration, and once they will click on request for registration, it will send a notification to the admin that this user has requested for appointment to the to verify the document and register this property. So once the admin will get the notification, the admin will schedule an appointment and send a notification back to the user that yeah, your appointment has been scheduled on this date, and it will show in the notification section of user. Now let's move to the admin section of the site. Here you can see the dashboard of admin. Admin has various functionalities. As you can see, the admin can manage users. Upon clicking on this, the admin can see the user details. Here admin can add late fine and tax on selected users. Here, if admin detects any fraudulent or any notification they want to send, they can send to the user. there is one more functionality. Check fraudulent has been given to the admin. The admin needs to click on check fraudulent, and here our AI machine will work. The AI machine has been trained on electricity bill, property size, and property tax amount. So what it does, that it fetches the property number from the user's account on which user has been paid the property tax, and then it compares the property size number, the property tax amount, and the electricity bill amount on that property, if there is any electricity bill meter has been issued on that property. And if it detects any fraudulent in the property tax payment, it will show up in the admin dashboard, and the admin would be able to see that which user is found guilty of paying the false property tax amount. So how it works? When the user admin will click on check fraudulent, it will show a graph. Here you can see in this here 0 is represented for residential, 1 is represented for commercial, and 2 is for open land, the category. So when we have intentionally added some wrong values, so you can see that here in the blue area there is a green dot that that some user has paid false tax amount, that is tax amount belongs to commercial part, but it has paid in open land. So the admin will be able to see it and will send notifications to the user. So it's the our solution to the problem statement, municipal finances and tax management system. Thank you from Team Falcon. Smart India Hackathon was not just a competition. Instead, it was a journey to be remembered for lifetime. It was an honor to be in such an environment full of excitement and innovation. So special thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for initiating and giving us a platform such as Smart India Hackathon to showcase our idea and talent. With the smoothness in conduction of the event and with no abundance in the facility, it became very easy for us to work on our project and stick to our goals. The competitive environment present there has pushed us through many obstacles and adds on the experience to our not only our academics, but it also taught us how to work as a team. After the first round of evaluation in the hackathon, we were very disappointed by the reviews of the jury member, but we didn't lose hope. We figured out where we are lagging. We were confident in our idea. We were confident that yeah, we will do good work. We will make the best project. We are confident. We were confident, and we have made it. And yeah, we emerged as the final of the hackathon. So once again, thank you for organizing such an innovative and good hackathon